Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the Google keyboard or Gboard theme to the gradient colors. So there's a lot of gradient colors themes on your Google keyboard. You can just use it by using this method. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the Google keyboard to the gradient theme or gradient color. So it's simple and easy. So first of all, you just open your Google keyboard. Now just click on this theme section here. If you don't have find, you can see this is the theme section. Actually, just click this. Now you just scroll down, you will see just scroll down to the bottom, you can see a two option, light gradient and dark gradient. So you just can enlarge it. You can see a lot of color of light gradients here, so just click on this to download the light gradient. If you just need a dark gradient, let's click this. You can see a lot of dark gradient color which is super awesome, and you can just use this here. So now I just going to show our light gradient colors which is so cool and to use. So click any favorite color, and you can also have a key borders, or if you don't want, just tap it and click on the apply option, which actually apply the gradient color. This is so looking awesome, and wow, it's so cool. So you can just click on this theme section and just scroll down. You can see a lot of gradient color options. You can just click this and choose the gradient color that you want. You can have a mild color with and also the darker color. Just click on this and just click on the apply option. That's it. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.